If you want to enable or disable the sleep mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to scroll down and find digital well-being and parental controls. Over here, if you scroll down just a little bit, you should be able to find the bedtime mode, which is of course the same as sleep mode. So you can tap on it in order to open it. And here you can decide what should happen during the bedtime mode. So for instance, you can enable the D&D mode over here. You can go next in order to set up the time when the bed mode should start and end. You can also choose days of the week during which the bedtime mode will be active. And then over here we have a summary of all of those things. And you can also turn on while charging. And once you are done, you can simply press done. Over here we have some additional options, like we can enable the time zone history and motion light detection during your scheduled bedtime, which can be allowed of course, and also not allowed if you wish to. I'm gonna actually allow. And there we go, we have our bedtime mode set up. We can turn it on by pressing turn on now, and of course we can turn it back off by pressing turn off now. And if you want to remove it, then in that case you want to tap on this arrow where you have bedtime routine. You want to unfold this option, and then over here you should have use a schedule setup. So if you want to turn it off, simply switch to none, and then the bedtime mode will not turn on. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.